Hi everyone. Do you like pet dogs? Choosing a family dog can be as stressful as it is fun, but there are certain breeds that were made to take care of kids and will tirelessly protect your family as much as it will love them. Here are the best breed to take home. First is Golden Retriever. This friendly and sociable all-American favorite is probably the most common family dog and one of the sweetest breeds around, bonding quickly with family members. While most dogs in the Retriever family have these qualities, these guys are some of the most impressive athletes. They love swimming, running, fetching and playing. They adore companionship and are perfect for active days with the kids. Next is Newfoundland. This slowbur monster is not just one of the cutest dogs around. It's often referred to as nature's babysitter and can be yours as well. As huge as they are, very gentle, watchful, patient and love kids. Infants and grandparents alike will find it hard not to totally fall head over heels for this pup, who can double as your nanny. Space is essential with this dog as it can weigh up to whopping 150 pounds. And that fluffs is no joke. Next is Bull Terrier. Bull Terrier and Pit Bulls often get a bad rep for being scary or aggressive, but that could not be further from the truth. It is so that just means the dog was abused in some way or another. These loyal dogs are the ultimate companions and have a high threshold for pain, making it perfect for unruly children. They will fiercely protect your kids and also tolerate ear pulling and other mischievous behavior with a toothy smile on their face. Next is Boxer. This is another dog that gets a bad reputation from being a former fighter dog, but that's yet another myth. When taken care of and nurtured, these boxers won't just protect and love your kids, they will be the new comedian of the family. Filled with upbeat charisma and goofy sweetness, when trained right, this little guy will be your fearless protector as well as a provider of loves. They are also short-haired and quite easy to maintain. Next is Basset Hound. These low-bellied hot dogs are part of the hunting family and a renowned family pet. Although they are genetically hindered, they are quite slow-paced and lazy, but they are equally loyal. Along with being gentle and very affectionate, they can be a bit stubborn and take some time to train. So, if you are extremely busy, this might not be the best choice. They usually weigh around 60 pounds, making them good for smaller apartments. Next is Shih Tzu. Teeny dog lovers will fawn over this funny and friendly furry creature. Appropriate for kids of all the ages, Shih Tzus don't need as much energy as other breeds and are a steadfast champions that loves being close to their owners at all time. Ideal for city dwellers living in confined spaces or those with small children and busy schedules. Next is mixed breed. More commonly referred to as mutts, these dogs are often left behind in shelters due to their crossbreeding, as many people prefer purebreds dog. However, these dogs are crying out for love and are less high maintenance than a lot of purebreds. They also aren't as prone to be genetic health condition that pedigree dogs commonly face, which can rack up a hefty veterinary bills. Next is Beagle. These floppy-eared little cuties are known for their curious nature and their love for roaming. The favorite thing is companionship and they adjust well to living with families. Even if other pets are in the household, this is good choice for active families that do not leave their pup alone at home for long periods. If you do, it may howl excessively and cause some house destruction. Lastly, we have Rhodesian Ridgeback. There is nothing quite like the comfort of embarking a huge but gentle dog. And anyone who is familiar with the Rhodesian Ridgeback will immediately understand. These are noble but lazy dogs. Don't bark often but are very protective over their families and make fiercely loyal guard dogs.